We moved to Australia 8 years ago now. We came for 3 years with Will's work. Within the first few weeks, I think we decided it was going to be longer than that. The beaches, the kids were instantly outdoors all the time.
It just sort of captured us and that was it.
Our first rental property, we had a pool, and the second one we didn't. The holiday feeling with a pool was something we really lost. That was high on the list of things to have in our own house. As soon as we started having the pool built, we started looking at the solar options because we recognised that the cost of running a pool was going to add to the bill significantly. I don't like it even at natural heat in the summer. So yes, it is slightly warmer than the average pool in the summer, thanks to the solar.
Qcells really came out very, very highly in terms of the quality of the product. The solar and the battery gives us the freedom to use the pool as we want, when we want. As both people who love technology, having the access to the app has been fantastic.
It's really interesting to see how much is in the battery and work out what you're going to put on that night or the next day.
It immediately gives you control and options that allow you to make subtle changes to optimise the use of your energy. And apart from anything else, it's just really fun to play with.
We're screenshotting it and sending it on SMS to each other, telling each other to I don't know, put the washing machine on.
One of the coolest things is actually to be able to look at the app and see the flow of power coming off our solar panels into our batteries and around our home. Just having that visibility turns power from a background thing you just consume to actually something you get to interact with. You don't have to change everything you do, but you've got the opportunity to adjust what you do to really fit the profile of power that you're getting to your home. So the batteries are a thing of beauty, and I do sometimes just walk down there and give them a little stroke. Love the batteries. There's probably no thing that I've bought in the last 20 years that I actually interact and care more about.
It's lucky that we've been married 21 years.